Welcome to How to Play Little Max. To play, you will need 2 dice with a dice cup, 2 or more players, and some kind of tokens or chips. On a turn, a player will roll the dice in the cup and look at their roll so that no other player can see. The player then announces what was rolled. This announcement can be the truth or a lie. The dice then pass to the next player, still hidden. The new player can choose to roll and will have to beat the amount previously announced, or the player can challenge the announcement and expose the previous roll. The rolls are ranked, with the highest being a 1 and a 2. This is known as a little max. Next in rank are the doubles, from 6s down to the 1s. If a player doesn't get a double, the highest dice rolled is their roll's value. Let's take a look at an example gameplay to better understand this game. Wade begins the game with a roll. Wade secretly looks at his roll and sees 6-5. Wade announces 6 and passes the dice under the cup to Diana. Diana decides not to challenge and will have to beat a 6 on her roll. Diana rolls a little max and announces it. Peter has no option but to challenge it. The dice are shown, and Peter gets a chip for the unsuccessful challenge. Peter then gets to start the new round. Peter rolls a 4 high, but announces 5 and slides the dice to Wade. Wade does not challenge and will roll. Wade rolls a 6 high and announces 6. Diana challenges the announcement and shows the dice. Diana gets a chip for the unsuccessful challenge. Diana starts the next round and announces a pair of 1s. Peter rolls and announces a pair of 3s. Wade challenges and is successful. Peter receives a chip for the caught lie. When a player gets a 3rd chip, they are out of the game. The last player remaining in the game is the winner. If you enjoyed learning how to play the dice game Little Max and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy to follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.